Wanna make solid pictures? Here's the recipe. First, sketch the anime. Outline it with black ball pen. Rub the sketch. Bring in the sketch pens and the colored pencils. These are the most cheap colored pencil worth 30 rupees. Let's see how it works. Oops! The pencil got broken. Highlight the important areas. Bright red for the lips. Orange eyes. With magnificent black eyes. Apply horizontally and vertically so as to completely fill the spaces. This is my first video, hoping to reach you through my artworks. Please consider subscribe. I will come up with unique and crazy artworks only for you. Now the sketch pens. Black buttons. Black eyes. Red lips. And you are finished with the art. Everyone comment. Quicker, don't be lazy. Till then, enjoy doing the artworks. Suggest any for my next artworks.